In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix freezing and lagging in Google Chrome when you switch to full screen. This issue can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy a video or navigate through presentations smoothly. So let's dive right in and explore some practical solutions to get your Chrome running glitch-free. First, make sure your Google Chrome is updated to the latest version. Chrome regularly releases updates that include fixes and improvements for various performance issues. To do this, go to the top right corner of your browser window and click on the three dots menu icon. Hover over the Help option, then select About Google Chrome. If there's an update available, Chrome will automatically start updating itself. Once the update is complete, don't forget to relaunch your browser to apply these changes. This simple step can often resolve many problems as it ensures you have the latest enhancements Google has to offer. Next, let's consider the extensions installed on your browser. Having too many extensions can slow down your browser, causing it to freeze or lag. Head back to the menu icon in the top right corner, select More Tools, and then click on Extensions. Disable any extensions you aren't actively using. You can do this by toggling off the switch next to each extension. If you find that disabling an extension solves the lag issue, consider keeping it turned off unless you absolutely need it, or you could look for a lightweight alternative. Another step you can take is to clear your browsing data. An overload of cache and cookies might lead to a sluggish experience. To clear them, navigate to the menu icon again, go to History, and then click on History a second time from the drop-down menu. Over on the left side, you'll see Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. A box will pop up giving you options on what you'd like to clear. Make sure cached images and files and cookies and other site data are selected, then hit Clear Data. Keep in mind, deleting cookies will log you out of most sites, so be prepared to log back in when necessary. If these steps haven't resolved the issue, consider disabling hardware acceleration. This feature can sometimes cause conflicts resulting in performance hitches. Go to the menu, select Settings, and scroll all the way down to Advanced. Within the System section, toggle off the Use Hardware Acceleration when available option. Once toggled off, restart your Chrome browser to see if the issue persists. Finally, if all else fails, resetting your Chrome settings might be the solution. This will disable extensions, revert your home page and search engine back to their defaults, but it will not delete your bookmarks or saved passwords. Find this option under Advanced Settings and click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. I hope this guide has helped you resolve any freezing or lagging issues you were experiencing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.